This lip lift is actually a woman's best friend because you're gonna apply it on and around your lips, and it's gonna prevent your lipstick from bleeding, from feathering, and it's also gonna help the lipstick to be much more longer lasting. To apply the lip lift, you actually wanna do it, of course, on your lips, but also you go around the mouth. And then with the finger, you do wanna massage it in to make it seamless and really melt into the lip. You will feel this very silky texture. It also will help any lipstick to be really true tone, so it won't change color on your lips. And on the lip lift, we are going to work with the iconic Kiss Kiss texture. So this lipstick is super comfortable, really easy to apply. It will actually smooth your lip with jojoba oils inside of it. So I like to apply straight from the bullet because you do get the really nice texture. And then you just rub your lips together, and you're actually going to feather the edges or blend in the edges with the fingertips so it looks much more natural and gives you supermodel lips.